Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Samsung Galaxy S21 battery capacity awesome. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. Samsung is just about done when it comes to flagship phones in 2020. We think so it's time to turn our attention to what it has in store for 2021. The next top-tier Samsung phone could be called the Galaxy S30 or the Galaxy S21, whatever the name of the handset. It looks as though the high-end Ultra version of the phone is going to come packing a battery with a rated capacity of 4,855 mAh, that equates to a typical capacity of around 5,000 mAh, which is the figure that manufacturers usually use for their marketing and specs lists. That would put the Galaxy S21 Ultra battery exactly on a par with the one in the Galaxy S20 Ultra. That doesn't mean actual battery life would be the same though screen size, power efficiency and various other factors all play a part. We're hoping Samsung would be able to make some internal tweaks to eke out more life from the same capacity. If Samsung sticks to its traditional annual schedule, then the Galaxy S21 phone should be making an official appearance around February time, though like everything else at the moment, the tech calendar is in a state of flux. That's still a few months off, but we've already come across plenty of rumors, leaks and speculation about what's in store for Samsung's next flagship phones. Will these handsets come with super fast 65W charging? Could they feature in-screen cameras? What we can say with a certain degree of confidence is that the new phones will get a bump in terms of their performance and the quality of the camera array, and we would expect multiple models to appear, as with the Galaxy S20 line from this year. Samsung will know it can't afford to stand still with its flagship phone series. The Pixel 5, the iPhone 12 and the OnePlus 8T are all launching in the next couple of weeks, which means Samsung will have plenty of high-end competition by February. Current Samsung flagships also top out at 15W for wireless charging, which is decent, but not the fastest we've seen. In that respect, OnePlus again leads the way, having introduced 30W wireless charging that's twice as fast on its OnePlus 8 Pro. The OnePlus 8T isn't expected to support this feature, as OnePlus typically restricts more premium capabilities like wireless charging to its most premium models. And there will be no OnePlus 8T Pro model, with smartphones taking on more power demands these days. From fast refresh rates to 5G connectivity, battery sizes have ballooned in recent years, and charging speeds have had to increase in kind, so that the latest models don't require forever and a day to charge. Given that Samsung frequently releases new handsets with the latest and greatest tech and features, the Galaxy S21 certainly figures to benefit from an increase in peak charging speed. The Samsung Galaxy S20 series made a few changes on the design front compared to the S10 series, ignoring the S10 Lite, moving the camera housing on the rear from the center to the left corner. The front remained largely unchanged however, with a punch-hole camera in the center of the display at the top. It's not yet clear if Samsung will change the design drastically from the Galaxy S20. We expect to see some changes, but we don't expect to see an entire redesign. A waterproof body with a glass rear and metal frame are likely to remain for the Galaxy S21, with new color options. The biggest change might come if Samsung succeeds in offering an under-display front camera, but there's only one rumor to say this is a possibility so far. If things stay mainly the same, expect the Galaxy S21 Ultra to look like the flagship again, like the S20 Ultra does. The Samsung Galaxy S20 has a 6.2-inch display, the S20 Plus has a 6.7-inch display, and the S20 Ultra has a 6.9-inch display. All have curved edges, and all have a Quad HD Plus resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate. We'd expect similar display sizes in the Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra if there are 3 devices again, and we'd expect to see the 120Hz refresh rate again too. We'd also expect curved displays, at least on the S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. It's been suggested the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will run on the unannounced Exynos 1000, a 5nm chipset said to compete with the unannounced Qualcomm Snapdragon 875, which the US version of the device will likely offer. As for the standard Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus, it is currently unclear what chipsets will power them, but the Exynos 990 name still unconfirmed, has been suggested. It's also been claimed there will be 5G variants of all 3 devices, and they will be offered in 128GB and 256GB storage options. Samsung will be looking to boost the offering of the cameras for the S20 models. Early reports suggested that the main camera might move to 150 megapixels, but we've seen a reliable source more recently say that it will stick to the 108 megapixels of the S20 Ultra. We're also expecting the depth vision sensor to be removed from the Ultra. What we might see instead is 2 telephoto lenses instead. It's thought that to increase the zoom performance, there will be a mid and long range telephoto switches to the 5x optical for the longer ranges. That is it for now guys, I will be sharing with you guys right away when there is new update. Well, having been said, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video.